Alright guys, it is Thursday, June 20th, 2024, 3:49 p.m. Just left the Audlin Road Circle K gas station. Got me a Polar Pop, Dr. Pepper with some ice in it, and I also got me a Froster, large Froster, blue raspberry flavor. On the Audlin Road right now on my way home. Decided to go a different way for different scenery tonight. Stop at the post office on the way home, check the mail. We've seen some lightning off in the distance. Supposed to get some thunderstorms, thunder showers today. Tonight off and on, but it's so hot today, muggy. A nice thunderstorm, thunder shower, feel appreciated. Feel awesome. Dr. Pepper tastes good right now. Took a quick drink of that. And now drink the Froster, which is going to be awesome. Nice frozen Froster on a hot day. Oh yeah, it's awesome. Good spot right there. You know, too, because I feel so dehydrated after working all day in the heat and the humidity. It's like 100 degrees out today. And inside the building it was about 120, 125 degrees. It was hot. Sweating all day. Putting the water right to you, trying to stay hydrated. Well, not me. Everybody else is putting the water to them, trying to stay hydrated. Me, almost all day I was putting the coffee to me. Hot coffee, putting that to me all day. Them thunderstorm clouds, guys. It's pretty dark out there, so it's gonna be a pretty nice thunderbanger. He said I want to go for a walk in it. I was thinking, oh, I might go for a walk down the University Trail, bike path or something. Something to do, kill a little time, cool off, you know what I mean? Not really kill a little time, but cool off, you know, go for a walk, stay active. Worked all day, got a 9.5-hour day in today. Cutting through Airport Mall parking lot. Bumps there. Going a different way tonight. For a different view other than the interstate all the time. I'm tired of the interstate all the time. Actually, sometimes I miss flagging because of the different views I get all the time. You know, I want the same repetitive stuff all over and over and over again like it is where I work right now. Right now it's all repetitive, same stuff every day. Know what time I gotta be there, pretty much know what time I'm gonna get out. I know what's gonna come in, I know what I gotta do every single day, you know what I mean? Know where you gotta be. It's not like when I was flagging, like when I was flagging you had to be at a certain spot at a certain time. It was always different. I had to be there at 3 o'clock in the morning today, tomorrow I had to be there at 5 o'clock in the morning, you know. Kids wanted me to honk my horn, so I did. Like little kids, you can't let little kids down. When they want you to honk your horn, guys. Put a smile on the kid's face. Don't really hurt you, don't hurt the vehicle, don't hurt nobody. Don't cost you nothing. I can smell the rain in the air right now. It's coming, it's getting closer. Across my thing, Old Town's supposed to get rain within an hour. Well, I'm in Bangor right now, and those clouds are looking good. Like it's gonna open right up. I thought about going swimming, but that's out of the picture. Out of the picture with thunderstorms. I'll go for a walk in them. Don't bother me a bit. I can go swimming in them myself. Don't bother me a bit. That's me, though. A lot of people wouldn't do that. It wouldn't bother me a bit to go swimming in them. I've done it when I was a kid several times. Probably should have never done it, but I did. Unsupervised, you know, I was a teenager, I was messing around, goofing off with other kids, you know. Hot day like today. Even though it was thunder and lightning, raining, it really wasn't cooling you down, it was still hot. Remember, we all jumped right in, still went swimming anyways. Lightning striking around, we were swimming, hail started coming down. We're just laughing, having a ball. Oh, I seen lightning on the other side there. You guys are gonna see it soon once we get to the end of that road, the end of this road and turn. So it's gonna be good. Stop itchy foot. Foot's a little itchy. Ooh. Nice little square body. Oh man, that sounded good. Ooh, I like those square bodies. Ooh, I like seeing that lightning too. I can't wait till you guys see it. I'll go for a walk in that thunder and that lightning and rain. Oh, it's gonna be awesome. Cool me right down. rains, cools everything down while it's raining, then when it leaves, it makes everything twice as humid as it was. Get up here at the end of the Burley Road, take a left, down Exit Street, get down Essex Street. I can feel the wind starting to pick up. It's actually blowing right through my window here, really good. No, it's not really the wind. I can tell the difference from the wind of me driving down the road and the way the wind's blowing sideways through the window. Like I'm stopped right now. I'm pretty much stopped and blowing through here pretty decent. Alright, now you guys can see the thunderstorm clouds. See a little lightning up there, a little ahead a little bit. Or a big strike, so you guys could see it. See the wind blowing the trees like crazy now, guys. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a good one. Oh, let's strike a lightning up there. Going up Essex Street. Oh yeah, the wind's blowing good. Here comes the rain. Wipers on. Look, severe it says so. Let's see how severe it is. Getting there, getting good, coming through hard, so. Visibility to the left. We need a good thunderbang. We need a very good rainstorm. Oh yeah, that rain. My wipers are fully on high right now, so we ain't having up any highs. They're going away from it, I'm going into it. good. Right through here. Branches flying around. Thunder out there. Going in on my left side. Oh, that was lightning strike. That's thunder. Waves flowing. There's gonna be some power outages tonight, guys. This afternoon, because it is bad. There might be some power outages. Brakes, I don't know what's going on here. Person's riding the brakes. They must not be able to see. Lightning. Thunder. Oh, bring it on. I like that. Some people don't like it, but it don't bother me a bit. Sorry guys, I'm right into the rain on a cool day, on a hot day like today. Cool things down. Oh, nice. Not gonna complain about the heat, not gonna complain about this rain. Because just a few months, you know it goes the other way. It's gonna be cold, we're gonna snow on the ground, it's not gonna be fun. Well, I'm grateful for this weather we're having right now. So grateful after I go home today. After I go home, I'm going to go for a walk in this, honestly. Oh, I'm lightning. Thunder. Ah. Soaked in under a minute when I go for a walk out of this thing. More fine by me, fine by me. almost the end of Forest Ave here. Almost. I'm going kind of slow out here. Because the guy in front of me is going slow, and it's probably because he can't see that well. Each time I've gotten a chance to pass, this car's coming. Anyway, coming around here, there's a stage going right here now. Car's coming, I can't pass.